this is Samicha.
Hi friends, this is
Kaustubh. We are going to invite a baby to our channel. You know who's that?
Yeah, Mr. Ritwik.
Yeah. Hi Ritwik, welcome to our channel.
Hi Samicha.
Hi Ritwik, welcome to our channel.
Hi Kaustubh. How many types of animals in our world, Ritwik?
How many types?
Farm animal, pet animal, wild animal.
Good job. Hey Ritwik, I'm going to show one animal. You have to identify that animal. What is this animal?
Wild animal.
Correct.
Kaustubh, I'll ask one question for Ritwik.
Okay, Samiksha.
What kind of animal is this, Ritwik?
Farm animal.
Good, Ritwik.
Good job, Ritwik. Now the final question for Ritwik. What kind of animal is this?